Hi, dear all. Namaste. Welcome to this special interview session. Today, I have the honor of interviewing someone who has truly set an extraordinary benchmark in GATE 2025 examination. With immense pride and excitement, I present to you my classroom student, Mr. Kamalanath, who secured All India 15th rank in GATE 2025 Electronics and Communication under ACE Engineering Academy classroom student. This today we'll dive into Kamalnath's journey, okay? Understanding the strategies, mindset, sacrifices that shaped this success. So without further ado, let's hear directly from the star of the day, Mr. Kamalnath, to share his insights and experiences with us. Hi, Mr. Kamalnath, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So first of all, congratulations for your wonderful success from all the team of ACE Engineering Academy, dear.
Thank you so much.
Dear, and convey our wishes to your parents also.
Sure.
Because without them, I think it is very impossible for you to reach the success. Right. Anyways, Kamalnath, can you briefly introduce yourself?
Okay, sir. I'm actually, as already sir said, I'm Kamalanath. So I secured an All India rank of 15. And am I audible, sir? It's fine. Right?
Yeah, it's very clear, Kamalnath. You can continue.
So I secured an All India rank of 15 in the paper of Electronics and Communication Engineering in the year 2025. So, and I'm a BTech graduate from Anna University CEG campus.
Okay. So in ACE Academy, you have taken online classes or live, meant to say recorded videos or classroom coaching?
I've undergone classroom coaches.
Okay, you belong to which batch, dear?
I'm in batch 10, sir.
PM batch 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, wonderful, dear, wonderful. So what motivated you to join in ACE Academy for GATE preparation?
Actually, I want to add this that this is not my first attempt on my GATE. This is
okay.
my attempt on GATE. I've already GATE on 2024.
Okay.
So I made a lot of mistakes in 2024. So which made me to rectify them. And next coming preparation for the 2025 preparation for GATE. So, and I've also applied for BARC interview last year.
Oh,
the questions were asked in BARC interview were quite fundamental, but I was not able to answer the questions at that time. So it made me think that maybe I should go again the fundamentals again. So it made me think that so I should go for a coaching for 5 months to dedicate myself to get thorough with the fundamentals. That's the reason I went to GATE.
Wonderful. So in GATE 2024, what's your rank?
I've secured a rank of 2250 in ECE, sir.
My goodness, from 2250, now you came to All India 15th rank.
Yes, sir.
This is amazing here. Amazing. So this is a very good motivation for the people who are planning to go for a long-term coaching. That is very nice. Very nice. ACE Academy is always with you. No doubt about that.
Thank you.
And did you have a specific career goal in mind? Any government jobs like post-graduation programs in IITs or IISc Bangalore? You have any specific targets?
So right now I'm aiming for an MTech, sir. MTech in IIT or IISc, sir.
Oh, wonderful. Which program you love, like VLSI or embedded systems? Which program?
I'm focusing on VLSI right now, sir.
Wonderful. The future, the technology, semiconductor is the future. Right.
Yes.
So, dear, how would you rate the quality of teaching and the study materials provided by ACE Academy? For example, 1 to 10 rating you have, how would you rate?
I think I can't give anything less than 10. I think the materials are far more advanced, I think so. I didn't think... After further revisions, it came to me that I don't think any of the additional materials was needed. I think it was far more than what's needed for GATE.
Correct. Because in ACE Academy, we have a special team to prepare the materials. And, they'll be taking the inputs from multinational standard books, IIT professor standard books. They'll be taking the standard inputs and they'll be preparing the material. That's very fine, dear. Very fine. We always try to update and upgrade even in the material. That's very fine. So did you attend any ACE Academy's test series before? How helpful, that test series in your preparation?
Actually, I attended the test series only for 2025 preparation, sir. 2024, I didn't prepare anything.
Okay.
So for 2025, I've attended all the subject-wise and topic-wise test series, sir.
Wonderful.
So that I was able to identify accurately in which of the topics I was weak. So then I didn't attend much of the full-length test series. Almost I have attended 7 to 6, only 7 to 6 of full-length test series. Because I didn't feel exhausted with writing the test. So I gave a lot of spacing with the test series.
Okay.
So I started in the mid of January. I didn't start a bit more earlier or very close to the exam. I started the mid of January, gave a lot of spacings between individual test series, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir. I
okay.
also attended the classroom tests. Even though the gate exam was computer based, I still wanted to improve my timing, so I even attended the classroom test series, sir.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Then actually, see, you already taken coaching in ACE Academy, right? So there
Yes,
is a
sir.
proper discipline we follow, whether it may be the classroom coaching or a live classes or any sort of programs what we have, we follow a structured proper discipline. So how did ACE Academy's structured program help you plan your gate preparation?
Yes, sir, apart, yes, I would say this, sir. Apart from the subjects that you are learning there, the environment that we have around that helped me to give me a inspiration to read further, sir.
Correct,
So even
correct.
if I fell down, I mean, even if I feel up, uh, I feel so exhausted reading further. When I see others when they're reading, it gives me a boost to read further.
Oh,
So I think the environment was so good around the years, sir.
wonderful, wonderful, superb, dear, superb. And a small question: did you follow any study plans strictly? That I need to follow only this plan, like that any strict plan you have?
I didn't follow a strict plan, but the study plan is very simple, sir. So when I had classes from the morning session,
Mhm.
2 hours I used to allocate for reading theory, and the 3 hours, remaining 3 hours, I had to allocate for problem solving the problems.
Oh, okay.
So the 2 hours I used to prepare, I used to revise subject, I used to take short notes on the way. Yes,
Oh,
that's how
wonderful,
the
wonderful. So short
morning.
notes really helped you like anything.
Sir, short notes, when it comes to short notes, I didn't use a short notes for revision. Rather than that, during every revision, I wrote a new short note, sir. So
Oh,
I took the
nice.
short notes were shorter.
So you updated the short notes every time. The
Yes,
moment when
sir.
you
I
revise
mean, I
every
did,
time you updated the short notes.
yes, sir. Every time I update the short notes, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So how did you utilize ACE Academy study materials? Because we have like a volume one, volume two, textbooks we are providing, volume two, which includes a lot of numericals we are providing. We are providing video lectures. For example, if you find any numerical difficult, ACE Academy providing video lectures even for the test series. So how did you utilize that study material what we're providing to the students?
Actually, I didn't use much of the video sources, sir. And I didn't use the volume one either because volume one consists of theory, I think so. So
Yeah,
most of the part is got taught in the class itself. So I
correct,
thought there's no
correct.
need for me to go theory, is volume one. So I
Okay,
used to solve volume two in the 3 hours duration of my study planning, sir.
wonderful.
Yes.
Okay,
I
okay.
used to solve hundreds of problems in a single day just to keep benchmarks like that, sir.
Good,
Yes.
dear, good.
If I had any difficulties, I used to ask doubts in the staff. So they are very open to ask if it's all
Correct,
about.
correct, correct. Even I know. See, you're my student. I taught you electronic devices, right? So
Yes,
after
sir.
completion of class, you used to spend with me by asking a lot of questions. So even I experienced that. Very nice, dear. So happy, so happy. So did you attend any doubt clearing sessions? Because commonly, after completion of the syllabus, we conduct doubt clearing sessions, and also we conduct many revision classes in online for our students. So did you attend any classes like that?
Actually, when it comes to doubt, I attended all the doubt clearing sessions, sir. Even though I don't have any doubts, or even if I don't have any doubts, I used to attend the doubt clearing sessions to understand the perspective of others. So there may be some perspective that I might not understand where we may get to mistakes. So
Okay.
for understanding the other's perspective, I used to attend doubt clearing sessions. It was helpful in that way, sir. Sometimes they used to find some very difficult problems which I might not have found. So I might used to explore some good problems when they are asking doubts.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful, dear. So, how did ACE Academy's faculty and materials help you in understanding different, I mean to say, difficult subjects and topics, dear?
Right, sir. So actually, I already had an idea about analog, digital, and networks before joining ACE, sir.
Okay.
So weaker subjects were communication and electronic devices.
Mm, mm.
I'll be very frank with you, sir. But after joining, I think there is no any better way of structuring the notes. I think so, sir. So
Good,
those
good, good.
subjects, I feel very satisfied after attending those classes.
Okay.
Even
So,
I already had an idea on
yeah.
analog and digital. I didn't feel like I was repeating the same thing again. It was the
Okay.
way the faculties are teaching. It was felt like a new subject to me. Yes, sir.
Oh, fine, dear. Then, which ACE Academy faculty members did you find most helpful and why?
I would say use of electronic devices was very difficult for me. I had no clue of how to study the subject. So I would
Okay.
like to thank you for that, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
And
Thank
I
you.
would also like to signals and systems, sir, because
Okay.
I do have an idea of signals and system, but the way sir was teaching the approach was very new.
Super, super.
Very good, sir.
Very nice, very nice. So, you please tell me one thing. Did ACE Academy focus on problem solving and numericals align with your preparation needs?
I think most of the previous year questions are solved in the class itself. I think so. So most of the difficult questions are solved in the class itself. So it was all I had to do was just to revise those questions if I found them difficult. So those were the most of the difficult questions are done in the class. I think so. So it
Super,
was pretty
super.
helpful in that way.
Correct, correct. Very nice, very nice. Then how did you balance ACE Academy resources with self-preparation? See, you have your own preparation strategies. And
Yes.
we are providing many resources to our students, many textbooks or many materials we are providing. How did you balance both?
Sir, actually, there is no neither additional materials I went through. So
Correct.
I said earlier, sir, it was very simple, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I used to revise every revision. I used to take a short notes.
Correct.
It was very
Mm.
simple. So not just ACE. During my college years, on weekdays I used to go for gate coaching class near my college. So I used to see, but after further revision, I felt like the notes which was given in the class was far more adequate. I didn't think anything additional was needed.
Superb, superb. That's nice. That's very good thing. And moreover, you said that you have attempted some 7 exams or 10 exams, what we conducted, right? So multiple test series we conducted, you already gave up some exams.
Yes, sir.
After writing test series, you will experience some results, right?
Yes, sir.
Then did you identify what are your weak areas and how did you try to improve those weak areas?
Actually, I didn't analyze that much with the full length mock test series, sir.
Okay,
All
okay.
the analyzing part over with the topic wise and subject wise, I think so.
Oh,
So
topic
certainly
wise exams, they helped you like anything.
they helped me with analyzing the mistakes that I was having the topics. So when I was attending full length mock series, it was all about the timing. How I was able to manage the timing. I wrote the test series only for managing the time, sir.
Oh, okay. So the moment when you entered into the examination hall
Yes,
of
sir.
GATE examination, final exam, once you open the paper, did you remember the faculties of ACE Academy? Why?
Uh,
Because by seeing the questions, if you
yes,
could able to understand, okay, this is what exactly faculty taught in the class. So this shortcut I can implement here. I can save a lot of time if what shortcut I can use here. Did you remember?
uh,
Is it helpful? ACE Academy classes, is it helpful for the moment when you write the exam? See, that is very important.
yes, sir.
While writing the exam, if you could remember the faculty, that is enough.
Yes, sir, that's true, sir. Actually, apart from the subject, what I felt, what the major problem I had was mentally facing those questions. Like
Okay.
I would
Okay.
even read those questions and come into conclusions that I will not be able to solve. So
Okay.
5 months of coaching and mentally preparing myself that nothing best I could have done more than this. So that made me face the questions. So I would really have to thank those for giving me this mental confidence.
That's wonderful, dear. So, what advice would you give to students joining in ACE Academy for GATE preparation? Let me say 2026. What advice you'll give to your juniors?
My advice would be, I think preparation for GATE 7 months is far more sufficient, I think so, sir. So even what I feel is that I should have joined a bit more earlier because I've joined at the month of July.
Okay.
Maybe I should have joined a few more batches ahead. I think I had some full day classes on a particular month, I think so. It was so hectic to attend the full day classes. Maybe if I had joined 2 more batches ahead, it would have been easier for me to go with the portions. Not that somehow I managed it, but it would be even easier compared to what I've done right now, sir. So when it comes to preparation, I think PLQs is the ultimate source, I think so. So
Mm.
for studying PLQs, I think you have to be strong with the fundamentals. That's what I
Okay.
and the last advice would be to tell them not to skip any of the subjects because
Okay.
just because subject is difficult, skipping it doesn't make any sense because we'll never know what subject will come and aid in the exam. Luckily,
Okay.
their electronic devices was easy. If I thought it was difficult and gave it up, maybe it will not. I mean, I would have gone in vain, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Then one last question I want to ask you.
Yes, sir.
See, you're from Tamil Nadu, right? You
Yes,
came
sir.
to Hyderabad, and I believe you're staying in the room by you're sharing with your friends. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now you mingled with your friends, and together you went for the preparation of GATE exam. I think you have seen your friends' preparation also. Might
Yes.
be they have done some mistakes in the preparation. What are the common mistakes you observed from other students, and how can you avoid that? because you already well proved that 15th rank indicates it's a successful result. So what are the common mistakes commonly most of the students are doing, and how can you avoid that? What are the suggestions to avoid those mistakes?
Common mistakes is that they have been performing well, but they have a doubt on themselves and they just give up in the middle of the preparations.
So they're
Trust the
giving up in the
process.
middle of the preparation.
So
Okay.
they just give up. They don't trust the process. So what I suggest
Okay.
is trust the process and trust on yourself.
Uh,
That's
so
the main thing I have to suggest them.
process is very important. Very good. Very good. Okay.
I mean, I think that's the halfway done, I think so. Other than that, I think it's very simple. Yeah,
Nice.
all you have to do is read and solve the problem, sir. So just stop thinking and start solving, sir. I don't think.
Oh, stop thinking and start solving. Very nice, dear. Very nice. Anyways, this is a very great experience even for me, dear, because within the preparation of 7 months, you got all India 15th rank is not a joke.
Yeah.
So once again, my heartful congratulations and great wishes from entire team of ACE Academy for your future career, future endeavors. Have a healthy and wealthy career, dear students. Once again, convey our complete wishes to your parents and you plan a beautiful career. As you said, you want to go for post-graduation programs in IITs and IISc Bangalore. So any guidance you require, ACE Academy is always with you. So we will absolutely guide you to go for any interview performance or interview or going for IITs or IISc Bangalore. Okay, dear. Once again, our very best wishes for your career. Thank you so much, dear.
Thank you
Jai
so
Hind.
much. Thanks.